students. In this class, we will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. I am doing first chapter, relations and functions. In that, I am doing exercise 1.1. 4 sums already, 5 sums I have already completed. Now I will continue from the 6th sum. Okay. So let A is equal to x belongs to W. W means whole numbers. Where x less than 2 and B is equal to x belongs to N. N is natural numbers. 1 less than x less than or equal to 4 and C is equal to 3, 5. This is the question given for A, B and C. For A and B, it is given only in the set builder form. You have to find the elements of the set first. Then after finding that, you are asked to verify 3 results from the for the given question. Okay, first we will find A, B and A, B value. So A is equal to x belongs to W. W means whole number. So it starts from 0. It starts from 0 and x less than 2. So x value will be less than 2. So the elements are 0 and 1. These are the 2 elements you will get. Then B. B is equal to x belongs to N. That is, it starts from 1. The elements are 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. So the number lies between 1 and 4. So 2, 3. Since it is given less than or equal to 4, we have to include that 4 also. So we got the elements of A and B. C is already given in the question that the elements are 3 and 5. Okay, now we will take the first result and verify that. So first one is A into B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. This is the thing we are asked to verify. So first I will take LHS. So before doing this LHS, here it is given B union C, A cross B, A cross C. So all these things are given. So the first we will find the elements of those things first. So first one is B union C. So B union C is B and C union. Only 3 is common. So B union C is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Union means you will combine the elements of both the set and you will write it together. So here 2, 3, 4 is there. Here 3, 5 is there. So we will write all the things together. Since 3 is repeated here in this, since it is common, we will write it one time. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the elements for B union C. Same way we will do for A cross B also. So A is 0, 1, B is 2, 3, 4. So we will write it in ordered pairs. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Everything we have related it with 0. Then with 1. So for 1 it is 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So this is our A cross B. Then A cross C. A cross C. So A is 0, 1. C is 3, 5. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then next one with 1 we have to do. 1, 3 and 1, 5. So whatever is given in the question, we got the elements for that particular set separately. Now we will take LHS. So LHS is A cross B union C. A cross B union C. So what are all the elements in A? The elements of A cross B union C. So what are all the elements in A? 0, 1 we have in A. Cross B union C. So for B union C, what are the elements we got? We got the elements as 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we have to find the cross product, Cartesian product of these two sets. So when we are writing it, we get 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5. So everything we related it with 0. Then with 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. Oh. So this is our LHS value. So our LHS value is these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sets we got. Now we'll take RHS. So RHS is A cross B union A cross C. So A cross B already we wrote this 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then A cross C also we formed 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Now we are asked to find the union of these two things, that is A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. That means we have to combine these two sets. We have to write it together. So we will write it first. 0, 2. 0, 2 is there in A cross B. Then 3 is common. So we will write it once. 0, 3. So this also we wrote. Then 0, 4. 0, 4. Then 0, 5. We will combine the terms and write. Then 1, 2. 1, 3 is common. 1, 2. 1, 2 and 1, 3. We will write. Then 1, 4 and 1, 5. 1, 4, 1, 5. So we wrote all the elements that we have combined all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements we got here. But we are asked to verify this LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the LHS value we got here? So LHS is here. This is our LHS value and this is our RHS value. We have to check whether it is correct, whether it is equal. So this is our LHS value. Then this is our RHS value. Okay, so 0, 2 is there. Then 0, 3 is there. Then 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So do it carefully. If you miss any one element or any one set of ordered pair also, you won't be getting it as equal. Now we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. That is A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Now we will do the next sum. So the next sum is A cross B intersection C A cross So second sum is, so for that we should have A and R. So we will write that A again. So A is 0, 1, B is 2, 3, 4 and C is 3, 5. Okay. So second one is, we are asked to check A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So as usual, how I did the previous one, same way, whatever things are given, whatever we need to find, that we will do it first. So B intersection C. So B and C, the intersection element is only 3. Okay, then A cross B we will find. A cross B. A cross B is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then 1. 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So this is our A cross B. A cross B. Same way A cross C also we will find. A and C. So that is 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1, 3, 1, 5. This is the thing. Whatever we need, that we got the value for this. Then we will take LHS. So LHS is A cross B intersection C. Okay, so A value is 0, 1. The elements of A are 0 and 1. Cross B intersection C, for that the element is only 3. So now we will find the cross product of this. So you will get 0, 3 and 1, 3. You will get 0, 3 and 1, 3. So this is our LHS value. Okay. So LHS value is 0, 3 and 1, 3. Now we will find RHS. So RHS is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So A cross B, we are having these many elements. A cross C, we are having these many elements. So in this intersection it is given, that is common to both we have to find. So 2 is not here, 0, 3 is there. So that we will write first 0, 3. Then 4 is not there, 5 is not there. Then 1, 2 is not there, 1, 3 is there. 1, 3. So only these two elements are common for both the sets A cross B and A cross C. These two ordered pairs are only same. What is the LHS value? LHS is 0, 3 and 1, 3. Same thing we are getting for RHS also. So RHS is also 0, 3 and 1, 3. So both are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. So that is, we have verified that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection C. We have verified. A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So first one is A union B. Union means you have to combine both the elements in A and B set. So when we combine 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 5 elements we will get. Then here A cross C. A and C. A cross C. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then next one is 1. 1, 3 and 1, 5. So this is A cross C. Then B cross C. B cross C is 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3, 3, 3, 5. Then 4. 4, 3, 4, 5. So these are the values for A cross C, B cross C and A union B. Now we will take LHS. So LHS is equal to A union B cross C. So A union B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross C is 3, 5. So now we will find the cross product of these two sets. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1, 3, 1, 5. Then 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3. 3, 3, 3, 5. Then 4. 4, 3, 4, 5. So these are the ordered pairs for A union B cross C. So this is our LHS. Then RHS is A cross C union A cross C union B cross C. So we have to find the union of these two sets, that is A cross C and B cross C. So 0, so here 0 is there. So first we will take that and write 0, 3, 0, 5. Then, so these two things we have taken. Then 1, 3, 1, 5. 1, 3, 1, 5. Then 2, 3, 2, 5. 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3, 3, 3, 5. 3, 5. Then 4, 3 and 4, 5. So this is the RHS value. Now we will check whether this LHS and RHS value are equal. Okay. So for LHS, this is our LHS and this is RHS. 0 and 3, 0 and 3. 0, 5, 0, 5. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3. 2, 5, 2, 5. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 5, 3, 5. 4, 3, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 5. So we have checked LHS and RHS value. So the given thing they are asked to verify is true. That is A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. This one we have verified. So with this I am completing today's class. In the next class the remaining sums we will see. So if you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box. Thank you.